Hello friends, are you a product seller, content creator or marketer? Then this AI tool is just for you. With this, you can showcase your product in model's hand without any photoshoot. And you can turn that image into a lip sync video where model will speak the script or voice you provided. Isn't it cool? So let's see how to do it. First, we can see two outputs. Now we will convert this image into lip sync video. Let's see how to do it. For this, click on lip sync video. Here in the center, upload your product with model image. Let's do it. After that, on the right side, you are given two options: text, script and upload audio, in which you can add your audio, meaning the voice over you want the model to lip sync. We will check both options. First, we will look at the text script option, so click on it. Then click here and the voice library will be open. Here you have to select your voice according to your choice. After selecting the voice, you have to enter the content you want to avatar to speak. Let me finish mine. After that, you can enter the video prompt, which is optional. If you want, you can enter it. After doing all this, finally click on generate. In few seconds or minutes, our video will be ready. And here is the final result.
Shine more, stress less. Smooth hair starts here with clean premium care. Try it now.
Isn't it good?
Yes!
Now we will see by uploading our own audio. Let's see how to do it. First, click on center and upload your product with model image. Then click on upload audio, and after uploading the audio, if you want, you can enter the video prompt in the box below. Doing all this, finally click on generate, and in few minutes our lip sync video will be ready. And here is the final result.
Tired of dull, frizzy hair? Say hello to Dr. Fabulous Shampoo, your secret to smooth.
I like it. If your video doesn't come out right the first time, you will need to try it again and again. So I hope you liked this video and found it useful. Make sure you subscribe my channel and share this video with your e-commerce friend. See you in the next one.